Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline. If you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe and hit the alarm button for further notifications. Today I'm continuing with the coastal theme with 3 brand new Dollar Tree DIYs. If you missed the first video, please check the description box or click the eye on the right of your screen. So let's get started with our DIYs. DIY number 1 is this really easy coastal rope mirror. You're going to need a mirror from the Dollar Tree, some nautical rope, and some twine. So I got this mirror from the Dollar Tree. It had some writing on it, but you can easily remove the writing on the mirror with some nail polish remover. And that's what I'm doing here. Now, once you've removed the writing on the mirror, I am just measuring out my nautical rope. Now, you're going to want to use a mirror that has a ridge on it so you can wrap the nautical rope around it. Next, you want to take your glue gun and just apply glue around the perimeter of the mirror. And then you just want to glue down your nautical rope. Then you want to take your twine and just wrap it around the rope. Next, you want to cut off the excess nautical rope. And guys, we are all done. This DIY was super simple, but it gives off a very nautical coastal vibe, and it only cost about $2 to make. For DIY number 2, we're going to be making a candle holder. You're going to need a glass vase from the Dollar Tree, an adult hula skirt, also from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to need some seashells. I got mine both at the Dollar Tree, and I also had some seashells on hand. So what you want to do is create a braid out of your hula skirt. So I'm just separating the strands. Now, if you watched my last video, I did the exact same step where I made a braid. So what you want to do is take your strands off of the hula skirt, and you want to remove 12 pieces, and you want to keep those 12 pieces folded in half. Then you want to put those pieces together, and you want to separate those 12 pieces into 3 groups of 4. Then you want to braid your raffia. You want to do that by braiding overhand. So once you finish your braid, you're going to want to grab your glass vase, and you're just going to want to glue your braid onto the glass vase. Now, the trick to prevent a lot of glue on your candle holder is you don't need to put glue all the way around. I'm just putting glue on certain spots. And once you've gone to the end of your braid, you're just going to want to cut off the excess. For this DIY, I used about 5 braids. Next, you want to take a seashell and just glue it to the front of your candle holder just to add a finishing touch. Next, you're going to take some sand from the Dollar Tree and an LED candle. So you want to pour a little bit of sand into your candle holder, and then you want to place your LED candle inside your candle holder. And here is the final product. I really love how simple the candle holder was. I actually removed the trim at the top because I felt that it was really busy, but you can choose to keep that trim at the top if you like. But I think it really adds a very simple and beautiful coastal vibe to your decor. So for our last DIY, we're going to be making this adorable coastal key holder. So you're going to need some seashells, some wooden letters, and I got mine from Dollaroma. You're going to need a sign from the Dollar Tree. I got this during the fall. Then you're going to need this key sign, also found at the Dollar Tree. You can find it in the frames department. So first off, I'm just going to be sanding down the sign just so that when I spray paint it, the spray paint can adhere properly. I'm also going to tape down the area around the hooks because I'm going to be spray painting the hooks gold. I'm also going to be spray painting the hook at the top gold as well. So here is what the sign looks like with the gold hooks. Next, I'm going to be taping up the hooks at the bottom because I'm going to be spray painting the sign white. So as you can see, I spray painted the sign white. What you're going to want to do is go back into the key sign and paint the areas where spray paint can't get to. So next, what you're going to want to do is grab your sign, and I'm just removing the top layer. And then I'm going to be using this Martha Stewart chalk paint, and I'll link the actual name of the paint below. And I'm going to be using some white paint. So I wanted my sign to be a light seafoam green, so I'm just mixing some white paint with my chalk paint. For the sign, I used 1 coat. Next, I'll be using my wooden letters. However, for this DIY, you can use a Cricut if you have it, or you can hand paint your letters onto your sign. So next, I grabbed my wooden letters and I decided to paint it white. You don't want to use too much paint because I kind of wanted a white wash, so I'm just wiping off the excess white paint. Initially, I thought I wanted to do the word beach with the seashell in the middle. I did change my mind last minute, but to get the words nice and straight, I'm just using this ruler from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm just gluing the letters onto my sign with E6000. As you can see, I changed out the seashell for C. Next, I'm just securing the beach sign to my key sign with some E6000 and hot glue. To finish off the DIY, I decided to add some seashells to the bottom of my sign. And there you guys have it, this beautiful key holder. I think that it came out so well. You don't only have to put keys on here, you can use it as a jewelry holder as well by hanging your favorite necklaces off of it. I think it came out so well and I love the colors and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the alarm button, and please visit my blog at www.sincerelymissj.com. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for the support of my videos, and I will see you at my next video. Thank you. Bye.